Welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix a Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. We are still developing unassemblize tool to aid Thyme development. Good, so, last session, we have made progress. And I think it's time that we start merging. We already have 19 work in progress files. Yeah. We also still have a stash here that we need to drop. I think we can do it another time, I guess. Good. So I think the first thing I would like to revisit is, does it have to be a multi-map? Can we maybe make it an unordered multi-map? Unordered map. Unordered multi-map. Is that a header? Multi-map? No. SD map. Okay. Unordered multi-map. Okay, let's see if that compiles. Then I think we can also go ahead and here. Executable. Oh yeah. Two 282. Two 295. Yeah. 432. 432. Okay. Okay. So that will be 316. Okay. And place. Yeah, okay. Okay, so Auto pair equal range. Yeah, okay, so we reject duplicates using multi-map because there can be multiple symbols sharing the same name. Yes. All right, common types. We got the multi-map. And then we also have runner. We got this one here. And we got this one here. Constant functions. Okay, here we have a bit of a problem because we also made another change on top of this. So we don't have a clean diff now. That's not good. Okay. Can we isolate this somehow easily? Don't think so. We need to make two steps here. So we create a copy of this function. Then we will check if we missed anything else. I don't think so. Good. Then use multimap for symbol name lookups. Use multimap for symbol name lookups and ignore all matches with duplicate symbol names. Ignore all matches with duplicate symbol names. Ignore all symbol matches with duplicate symbol names. Okay, so we commit this. Then we stash this. Then we go ahead and replicate in isolation the fix. Okay, so we need to put this here. And this. And that's it. Okay, let's see if that compiles. No. Okay, and this. Okay. Okay, so this compiles, then we take this guy and we append it. Good. Okay, then we stash pop, which should give us merge conflict. And then we go here and we accept the green. And here as well. And that's it. Okay. Good. Then we unstage. And now we commit the next thing. First we check if it compiles. It does. Okay, good. All right. next step. Mm, 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 mm. So in the next step, we separated the matched index. Yeah. Okay, so we take this guy, we take this, and we take this, this. Yeah, okay. All right, mesh functions, result, data, reserve. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 All right. All right. Mm-hmm. Okay. Fair enough. All right. That's da, 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 da. Yeah. Yeah. Da, da, da. Yeah, okay. Mm-hmm. Ba, ba, ba. All right. All right. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, I think that is it. But here, PDB reader, we can also do this cleanup. Read compilant function. Okay. All right. 1, 2. Read compilant function. There we go. Okay. Okay, good. So all this just to create well, let's say how do we say split match split function matching data of named function structs. Split function matching data of named function structs. Yeah, that's basically all we did here, which is a huge change. Yeah, okay. To keep pristine states for unmatched function. Split function matching data of named function struct to keep pristine states for unmatched functions. Yeah, I guess that's fair. Okay, let's commit this guy. Then we stash what we currently have. And then we see if it compiles. It does. Okay, good. Then we stash pop. All right. And then we see what we merge here. So we have table, this box, Okay, this we can take. This one I think we didn't end up using. I wonder, can we also pass a string view here? str starts. Okay, well, we don't need to submit it now. Str. Okay. Okay, we need to review this stuff here. There's one thing I would like to adjust. MGUI app here. So we have different names for executable loaded. Maybe it would make sense to unify these names. So here we say is exe loaded, PDB loaded. Here we say executable loaded, executables loaded. Maybe it's fine to have different names. No. Okay, and once this change is done, we need to look into if we can make this a raw pointer and not pass a shared pointer. I think we can do that. Here we have some commented function. Why? Because it doesn't contain bundles anymore. Okay, that's fair. Can remove that. Okay. So I think this is fine. Program file descriptor pair. Did we end up using this? Yes. Create new revision descriptor. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, here we have some error. Well, not error, but okay. Pass down a shared pointer of the chaining async commands. Okay. Okay, so is exe loaded named functions built. How about we rename it to just exe loaded? Maybe that would be simple enough. Exe loaded. We do the same here. Exe loaded. PDB loaded. And then here we also rename this to exe loaded. Okay. I think that's fair. Good. That is promising. We can stage that. Stage that. File content storage, name functions build. Yes. Exe loaded, name functions build, bundled functions build. Yeah. Selected file index in list box does not necessarily link to current loaded file. Yeah. Selected file index to current loaded file. Yeah, okay. All right. Good. Executables loaded. Name functions build, match functions build, bundled functions build. Okay. We got a program comparison ID, has open window. Yeah. Matched functions, build. Okay. Here we got this revision descriptor, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Blah, blah. And here we got a bunch of new functions. Create, build, blah, command. Okay. Can load, we removed because we didn't use it. Load, and we removed a bunch of other functions. That's good. Load and compare async. Compare async. Yeah, okay. Then we simplified this name and we did that and this. Okay, this looks good. And we also need this here. This and this. So exe loaded and evaluate exe config file name not empty. Okay. Exe loaded. Yeah. Okay. Exe loaded is this not null and exe loaded. Okay. Fair. Revision descriptor not null. Return. Okay. Fair. We just renamed here and here. Create new revision descriptor. Make shared. Yeah, okay. All right. Exe loaded. Yes. Yes. PDB loaded. Yes. Then we got exe loaded, executable, PDB. Yeah. Name functions build. Yeah. Okay. Got this. Exe loaded, named functions build, blah blah. Components are only built when a PDB was present, therefore only the single bundle is always built for an executable. Yeah. There's PDB loaded call somewhere here. I wonder if here we should also put it into files. So here we have exe loaded. Let's add another PDB loaded. And then we open this guy. We put this here, make a copy of this here, and we do pdb loaded. All right. Then here we can say files. Let's do comparison descriptor files file. File files I make a reference. Okay, file and file pdb loaded and well, we put file version descriptor. Okay. Okay, that's greatly simplified. Okay, good. Okay, so we added this here and exe loaded, pdb loaded, yes, named functions build, bundled functions build, executable loaded. Yeah, can't. Yeah. Yeah. Create load command. Yeah. This was also a separate change. We simplified some code there. Yeah. That's okay. Okay, create build named functions commands. Oh, this is a bad diff here. Oof. Why is this diff so bad? Oof. That's a horrible diff. I think it's because of this one refactor. Shit. That's not good. Oh boy. It's because of this refactor. It messes this up. Oh boy. Oof. Okay, well, we should unstage everything again and make a separate change. So it's all this here and this here. This. Oh, that sucks. And then we take this. Then we need this here. And oh man. Can load. Where's this thing? Okay, so what we do is we move load commands creation into separate functions. Move exe and pdb load command creation into separate functions. Yeah. Okay. Load async, create load commands. Okay, then we commit this stuff. Then we stash again the current changes. Then we replicate what we have just destroyed. So here we put this function here, and we put this here. Okay. We remove this and load async. We put here. There we go. And load exe. Command create. Okay. And the script. Okay, and then we delete these here. This. I think this was also removed. Yeah. This. Okay. Okay, so this should compile. Let's also check if it actually works as is. Loads. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that works. Save config also works. Right. Good. Then this will be separate change. Move exe and pdb load command creation into separate functions. Create load command cannot load undefined file. Create load command. Maybe here we can return null pointer actually. Okay. Okay, this looks good. 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 And now we will be able to get a much cleaner diff with the new code then. Good. So commit. Yes. Okay, let's compile once more to make sure it compiles. Yeah. And then we do stash pop and we get a whole bunch of merge conflicts. Oh boy. Okay, I hope we got it right. Let's see. Let's see if it compiles. For starters. Oh, I see red here. Uh-oh. Oh, it succeeded. Good. I was afraid because of this here, but looks like it's just IntelliSense being a little bit delayed here. Yeah. Good. Okay, let's stage this again, and this, and all this we already looked at. This we looked at. This as well. All this. All this we also looked at. Okay, now we get nicer diff here. Yeah. Create build named functions command. Command. Callback. Res. Clear. This one here is a little bit long, isn't it? Can we make it a bit more compact? It's hard to look at here. This one. I guess it's fine. Okay, so this one is good. This one is also good. Yeah. This one is fine. It's not pointer, PDP reader, PDP, blah, blah, blah. Invalidate, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Build bundles from source files, commands. Name functions, PDP. blah, blah, blah. Okay, this looks good. Here we simplified this chunk, yep. And this renamed turn create blah blah. Okay, blah blah. Load and compare async. Yeah. Canouts. Xe loaded. Da, da. I wonder here with the bundles. I wonder if we just simplify this to one Boolean. Like, why do we need 3? I think we just need 1. Right. So we just do bundles, bundled functions build. Bundles. Yeah, I would say we simply rename this to bundled functions build. And then we remove this here. Maybe. Maybe we shouldn't change it. Yeah, because they are all their own commands, so maybe it's good if we have this here. Yeah, let's keep it for now. Let's keep it. Okay, so executable is not yet loaded. Loaded first. Blah blah is comparing same file. Da da da. Loads. Commands chain. In queue is async loading. Blah blah. Okay, I think this is fine. Compare async. Da 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 da. I think this revision descriptor pair is only used up here. So we could move this guy here. Right. I wonder if we should also split this into 3 more functions. Here, this stuff. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, we could do that. We just need to pass comparison descriptor, right? Yeah. Yeah. So build name functions async. Okay. So I say, so we have here compare async, load and compare async. Let's do a void build named functions async. Then we do a build matched functions, async, and then we do bundled functions, build bundled functions async. Yeah. Then we make a copy of these guys and we put it here. Inquiry app. Okay. Excelente. Okay. And then we move this guy to here. Then we call this here. Okay. Then we move this guy to here. And then we call this here. Okay. And then we move this guy to here. And call this here. Okay, I think that is much easier to look at now. Yeah. Okay, great. Great. Compare async, nothing to do. Okay, cool. I appreciate this. All right. Good. Then this looks fine. Build name functions async, blah, 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 blah. Comparing same file. Now recursive call. I mean, it's no longer recursion because we're not calling the same function. Let's get back to this comment. Calls compare async. Where calls compare async to see call compare async for any leftover work. Or let's say go to next async task go to next async task. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Now, what could also be possible is that maybe here, instead of doing this approach, which is fine for the time being, but maybe we could also have something where we can like return multiple new commands. Right? So right now we can return one command here, but we eventually need to send okay, here it just adds one command. Yeah. Here's multiples. I guess it's fine for now. Yeah. It's not 100% clean because like there is a disconnect between this command and the next ones in line, but I mean, yeah, it's fine. Yeah. So it means that some other work could now push between these things here, right? Well, would happen anyway, I think. Let's see. I think it would happen anyway. Work queue. Where is it? Here. No. Right here, the delayed commands. Where's here create chain command? Yeah. Delayed work can decide to not create a chain command. In this case, the command chain is done. So basically, this one would also just chain a new command. So work could also be in between this, right? So we could be in the chain, and then we return a command here. We enqueue it, but by the time we enqueue, some other command could already be picked up and worked on, right? So this doesn't give a guarantee that these are all successive, and it doesn't need to. So I think our current approach here in the GUI app is completely fine. It's fine. Good. So it's comparing same file. Yeah. chain. Okay. Build matched functions async. Create build match functions command. Next command chain. Go to next async task. Okay. Great. And build one of the functions async. Blah blah. Comparison descriptor. Okay. This looks good. Here we have some renamings. Fair, fair, fair. All good, good. And here we implemented some UI. Here we have some comments. Okay. Yeah, let's remove the comments. List box. Okay. Okay, the UI is pretty simple so far. Yeah, the UI is the simplest of all. Like the commands, the runner commands are the most work by far. UI not so much. But I mean the async behavior is like only necessary because of the UI. If we just made a command line tool, it wouldn't be necessary. Yeah. Okay, so I got this. Okay, great. This is prepared. What's the time? Just 1 hour 12. It feels like I've already been busy for 2 hours. Well, yeah, I would like to take a break anyway. Well, actually, let's commit this so that it's clean. No, let's test this in the next sitting. Then we submit this, and then we look at the revision descriptor here. Maybe we pass it as raw pointer. I need to check it once more. Yeah. Good. I'm happy with the progress. Then, yeah. Good. Then I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.